All right, video number 2 of the week, and this is about finding sectors area. So we talked about what a sector was, and so what we're actually going to do is we're going to find this shaded piece. Now we know that this shaded piece here is a part, sorry about that, of the whole area of the circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up an equation where we're talking about parts divided by wholes. Now we were told that the measure of angle ABC, that's ABC, that's this angle right here, is 30 degrees. We know that this is a central angle, and we know that central angles in total, if we were to go all the way around the circle, are out of 360 degrees. So they are, the part is the central angle. This is going to be equal to the sector area, the shaded area, over the total area in the circle. The sector area is the area in gray over here. Because these two ratios are equal, you're going to want to write down this equation right here because we're going to use it every single time. So for example, we know that 30 degrees, our central angle is 30 degrees here. Our radius that we're given is 6, which means we can calculate the total area because area of a circle is equal to pi times radius squared. So pi times 6 squared, that's 36 pi. Then we can set up our equation. So 30 degrees over 360, there's always 360 in there. Sector area, that's what we don't know, so we're going to give it a variable x over total area, 36 pi. Great. Now we want to get x alone, so we're going to multiply by 36 pi because multiplying and dividing undo each other. And what we do to one side, we have to do to the other as well. So these two go away. We're left with x is equal to 36 pi times 30 divided by 360. And here you're going to take your calculator, 36 times pi times 30, enter, divide by 360, and we'll get 9.424777, and on and on and on, is equal to x. And so this is an area, so unit squared, and it's our sector area. Let's do another example before you try some on your own. So here is another one, another circle. Our radius is still 6, so r is equal to 6. Measure of angle ABC is 20, so we're filling in that central angle of 20. We're going to use central angle over 360 is equal to sector area over total area, always. So we need to figure out what is our total area. Pi times our radius, 6 squared, 36 pi. And we're going to fill these into our equation. So our central angle, that's 20 degrees over 360 degrees is equal to sector area. That's unknown, so we don't know what that is. We'll give it an x. Total area, we found out that was 36 pi. Great. Now we're going to do the same math algebra work that we did before. We're going to multiply by the denominator to make it go away, and we'll do what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. This arrow is going to be annoying. Then we have 36 pi times 20 divided by 360 equals x. And this is again where you take your calculator, 36 times pi times 20 equals, and then divide by 360. So that's 6.283 units squared is equal to our sector area. if you are ready to try a couple on your own, go ahead and pause the video and try a couple on your own. I'm going to do one more example just in case you need one. Here we've got an example of another circle. It tells us that the measure of angle ABC is 22.6. So we'll plop that in there. So we know that this is our central angle. And we want central angle over 360 degrees, total degrees, is equal to sector area over total area. We know that 6 is our radius. So our total area is going to be 6 squared times pi, 36 pi. And we're going to plunk in central angle here is 22.6. Total area here is 36 pi. So we'll plug those into our equation. 22.6 divided by 360 equals sector area. Again, this is unknown, so let's give it a variable over total area. And to undo, to get x alone, we're going to multiply on both sides. And we have 36 pi times 22.6 over 360. Use our calculators. And if I plug that all in correctly, we should get 7.099, lots of 9s, equals x units squared, because it is area. All right, give these a go on Desmos. Obviously, ask questions during class and office hours.